go to DeFi.Finance version 2. If you are new to the platform, you will need to register and complete the KYC. You can watch the step-by-step in this video. If you are already a user of DeFi.Finance version 1, you will not have to complete the KYC again. Below in the description, you will find a link to the official website. On this side, you can see that we have swap, farm, and stake. You can access each one of them. You can see all the information they contain. Once you unlock your wallet to interact with the platform, it will ask you to log in. You will see this message. If you were already registered in DeFi.Finance version 1, you just need to log in as usual. However, if you are a new user, you must register and go through the KYC process. For a start, you must click on Register. You must fill out this form with the information required. Fill in your name and surname, your email address, indicate your country, add a phone number, create a secure password with the following specification: minimum 8 characters, 1 capital letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Rewrite the password. Read the terms and conditions as well as the privacy and cookie policies. If you agree, check the boxes. Solve the CAPTCHA. Click on Create an account. You will receive a welcome email. Now you can log in. Solve the CAPTCHA. Click on Login. Now you must verify your account. This message tells us that we are about to send confidential data to Woonkly. So if you have received this link from a suspicious source, close the page and immediately inform the Woonkly team. To continue, click on Confirm. These are the steps you need to follow to verify your profile. You will need one proof of identity. This can be a national identity document or ID, a residence permit, a passport, or a driver's license. All these documents must be valid and in good condition. The selfie is a biometric scan. We will see this later. For the proof of residence, you should use one proof of address such as water, electricity, or gas bill. We will see this in more detail later. You must take into account that it must not be older than 3 months. It must contain your full name as well as your address. You can do this process using a computer or from a mobile device. In my case, I will do it from the PC. Click on Continue on this device. You will have to prepare the documents that you are going to provide. You must not use false documents as it will imply a definitive blocking of your account. We accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policies. It's recommended to read them, and if you agree, click on Next. Step 1. Proof of identity. Indicate the country where you live. I live in Mexico, so I'll leave it like this. Select the type of identification. I will use my identification document, that's my ID. We upload both sides of our document. We wait until they are uploaded. Then we click on the Next button. Now we will have to carry out the facial scan. We get ready and click on I'm ready. We allow the use of the camera. We follow all the instructions indicated until completing the scan. Finally, we must upload the document that we will use as proof of residence. The documents accepted are bank statements, utility bills less than 3 months old, internet bills, tax returns, certificates of residence issued by the government. What is not accepted? Screenshots, cell phone bills, medical bills, purchase receipts, and insurance statements. I will upload the electricity bill. Once uploaded, click on Next. Now we must verify that all the data and information provided are valid. If so, click Next. You will be informed by mail that Woonkly is reviewing the documents. Once the documents are approved, a notification email will arrive. In addition, we will see that we are already verified. Click on Continue. In the upper right corner, we will have our name, our status that is verified, and we will be able to log out as well. This is how we verified and complete the KYC in DeFi.Finance version 2.